Hey, what's up you guys? My name is Vivian from ThePaperLetterBlog, and today I'm here with something very exciting, which is my Pipsticks giveaway unboxing. Okay, so before I start, I want to say one thing, and that is that this video, as well as all of my other videos, are in no way sponsored. I'm not affiliated with Pipsticks in any way. I won this pack, so there's no other compensation or anything, but okay. So let me recap a little bit. So here on my channel I opened my first ever Pipsticks sticker pack a few weeks ago. If you guys don't know what Pipsticks is, you might want to check out that video, but basically Pipsticks is a sticker subscription. So every month you can opt in or opt out, and then you will get an envelope filled with stickers, basically. So that's it. That's you may imagine why that got me super excited, but okay. So I did my first Pipsticks unboxing a little while ago. So I won shop credit from this company called Punk Post. I do have to admit that I joined the giveaway via Pipsticks, so I didn't really look into Punk Post yet, but as far as I can tell, it's a website where you can order handmade cards. So then you can choose a theme, choose a message, and then they will hand letter and hand make the card specifically tailored to your wishes, and then they will send it for you, which is super cool. So I'm definitely going to use that to send cards, and it might actually be a fun way to send cards to some of you guys in the USA. Okay, so that I won that, which is already super exciting, and then I won from Pipsticks. I won 3 months of the Pipsticks sticker subscription, which is super exciting because I literally just joined and now I won 3 free months, which is making me super happy. And that also means that I will get to do many more opening videos here on this channel if you guys like. And then I also won a prize pack, so I feel super spoiled. I mean, I do sometimes win things on Instagram just because I am on Instagram quite a lot, so I usually tend to see the giveaways, and also because a lot of people tag me in giveaway accounts, in giveaway posts, so that way I also see a lot of giveaway posts, sorry. So long story short, I joined, I won, and now it's here, which is crazy exciting. So I'm going to open this with you guys on camera today. I don't know what is in there. They actually described it as a giveaway pack, so I thought that it would be an envelope just like the one I received, like the Pipsticks subscription, so just a flat envelope, and instead this is what I got. It's huge. It's, well, not super heavy, but it makes a lot of sound, and I cannot wait to see what is in here. So this is going to sound super dramatic, but life hasn't always been super easy for me, and especially the last couple of months I worked really hard in therapy and stuff, and I feel like now I seem to get so lucky all of a sudden. I hope that it's a new beginning. And I do have some more news about new beginnings, which is crazy exciting, and I want to update you guys on my new vlog channel called Vivian's Vlogs. I'll put it in the description box down below. I'll tell you all about new beginnings. A little hint, it has to do with my very own craft room. Okay, so new beginnings. I'm going to turn the camera down, I'll pick out a tea, and we'll open this. I'm sorry I'm already talking too much, but this is just really exciting. I already have my pink Stanley knife, just in case I need to open something. And let's get into it. This is in no way affiliated with Pipsticks itself. I think, at least, I obviously don't know, but I'm assuming that everything went fair and that everyone had the same chance, and that I didn't win this because I'm a YouTuber, just because I entered the giveaway like everybody else. Okay, I don't know which tea. I'm gonna pick a tea. This is my tin with pen pal, swap, and subscriber mail teas. Okay, I'm going to try this one that I got from Louisetta. It's actually Breathe Deep tea. I don't think I've showed, oh no, that's, I'm rambling. I'm saying that I got it from Louisetta, but actually me opening her mail won't be online until next week or the week after. So it's it says it's a herb and spice infusion, and I usually quite like herbal teas or spiced teas, so I'm gonna try that out, and now I'm gonna open it because that's why you're all here. So first off, we have this. It says awesome surprise inside, and I do have to say one thing. This looks a little bit ugly, but that's because this actually held the paper with my address, and it was arrived at my home address, so I'm obviously not going to show you that. But I do have to say one thing, and that is this. This says vrij van belasting, which means free from taxes, because I got an email that my package was being held at the border, like the, how do you call that again? The tax, where they check like whether or not it's explosives and whether or not I have to pay taxes and stuff. So luckily it says here that it's free from extra charges, but otherwise if it's higher than 21 euros, you very often have to pay extra, like, you know, import taxes, and that would have been very sad. Okay. I'm just ripping this open. It's a huge bubble wrap envelope, and oh my god, I can see some gold. Oh, look at that. They actually like wrapped it all nice. There's a card here. Oh, and this is so cool. Like they used the card to write their note on, but they put it on a sticky note so that I can actually reuse it. It says, "Congrats, Vivian. Thank you for participating and enjoy your prize. We would love to see what you do with it. EXO, the sticker squad." Oh, and then you have this cute little box. And before I actually open it, I want to say one more thing. If you guys like my hair tie bracelet, please check out my Etsy shop, because I actually sell these. I don't often say something about it, but I sell these on Etsy. My shop is called The Paper Letter Shop. I started it quite a while ago, but I never really put in a lot of effort, but I really do like sending these out over the mail. So I sell different designs. They're either just one color like this one, they're either bright or they're like black, you know. I have all sorts of colors, and I also have a lot with very cute designs like stars and hearts and stuff like that. So I would really appreciate it if you guys would check out my Etsy shop, maybe favorite it, and obviously if you like it, then feel free to order. Okay, so that aside, I'm just going to get right in here. Oh, this is so cool. Look, so there's like a lot of crinkly paper, and I love this little box as well. It's a little bit how do you say that, dented, so they actually they weren't really careful with it in the mail. Oh, I don't even know where to start. Should I start with the sticker pack or with the other things? I think I'm going to start with the other things. It's all gold colored, and look at that. Okay, first off, we have this super shiny little pencil case. Oh, and this is, it has quite a lot of space, which I really like. I do have to admit that, because I'm like a Paper Gang fan. I already have quite a lot of these, but I always find use for them, you know. I have my wax seal stamps in one, and I have my pens in the other, and I have my glues in the next, so you know, I'll probably find a good use for this. The super sparkly golden pencil case. And then we have these sticky notes with a moon on them, and I already know which pen pal I'm going to send it to. And then, oh, what is this? I think it's like, is it sticky paper or just paper? Oh my god, it's actually a sticker. That is so cool. Look at that. These are two giant golden sticky sheets. That's really cool. I will have to find something cool to do with that. So they're quite giant sparkly sheets, and it doesn't come off, which is also a big plus. I might have to like decorate my journal with it or anything. And then we have this little sparkly notebook. I have so many notebooks, I think I need to start my own store. Okay, so I actually really do love this color. It's like a copper color, and it's just a little journal. And again, the glitter does not, oh yeah, the glitter comes off a little bit, but not too bad. That's something I always check, because you guys have no clue how many times me and my boyfriend and my cat are covered in glitter. And then this is actually really nice, because I already have one of these pens. I did a mystery bag unboxing from Petite Pink Boutique, which is a cute little Etsy shop here from the Netherlands. And she also sent me one of these pens, and it's actually one of the nicest pens to write with. It writes really smoothly. I can show you. Look, I can write Pipsticks. See, it writes really nicely, and I like the way it looks as well. So I already know that, and that's just really cool. And I'm also kind of excited by all of this crinkly paper. I feel like I have to reuse that. I already know which mail I'm going to put it in. Next up, we also have a pen with this, I don't know how to call this, but it has like glitter in here and it moves around. So a little glitter shaker pen. Let me write giveaway. Ooh, this one is also very smooth. So both of them are black pens, and I really like them. I really like I will, if a pen looks nice, that's okay, but it needs to have like smooth, easy writing, otherwise I will not use it. And then we also have some gigantic washi types. Ooh, it's all like galaxy themed a little bit with like the, I don't know, the colors and the sticky notes. Oh my god, I cannot believe this. And then to imagine that I'm going to get 3 more sticker packs over the duration of 3 months. I'm going to share so much of this with you guys. So next up is a washi type. It's like galaxy with all these, well, different planets, I think. We have the world here and then different little planets, which is super cute. And I have one pen pal who really likes galaxies and stuff, so she's definitely getting quite a lot. And I think now that I look at this, that this pack also may be galaxy inspired. I feel like I have to make another galaxy themed mail because that's really cool. I already made one galaxy themed mail before. If you want to check that out, I will link it down below. But I had so much fun with that one, and I still have so many ideas. I feel like I want to do it again, and now I have a lot of supplies to use for that as well. So okay, and then we have this. Ooh, oh, this is actually not washi type, or it is washi type, but it's actually like it has, or is this intentional or unintentional? I don't know. But look, it still has like protective film behind it, so I can just cut it up and send it to someone like a huge sticker. That's actually quite nice. It's a little bit messy though. I don't know if it's intentional or unintentional, but I think it's a good idea. So okay, you have, oh no. Oh no. So we have this huge, again, galaxy with gold foiling. Very pretty. And this is like, look how big it is. This would be perfect for closing off envelopes and stuff like that. I'm just going to re-roll it. Okay, and I really like this. So that's all for the goodies, and that also makes sense why it was like rattling, because I thought that maybe it was just stickers. And I love this little card. Oh my god. And then this is also kind of cool because if you watched my Pipsticks unboxing, you saw that the stickers from the subscription also come in an envelope like this. But the one I had was silver, sparkly silver, and this one is actually gold. So I have 2 now, and I'm still undecided as to what I'm going to do with it, because I do like keeping them for organizing, but I also want to use them for mail. And then we still have a bunch of stickers. First off, we have this pretty gold foiled sheet with like the different phases of the moon and star signs, different star signs, and different, I forgot the word. Is it called stellations? Like how the stars are aligned? I hope so. So that's really cool. I think this is actually my star sign because I'm a waterman. How do you say that? I'm the one with the water. I don't know the name for it in English. Is it Aries, Aquarius? I don't know. And then we have sparkly moon stickers. This is gorgeous. Oh my god, I love these. And how perfect is this for Christmas as well, for like winter themed mail. In combination with blue, icy blue, I can see that happening. This always happens. I just get so many ideas. And then some more pretty sparkly star-shaped stickers. Also again perfect for either Christmas or winter themed mail. Wow, I love that. By the way, my tea smells so good. Oh, that's quite nice. Oh, there's something in there that I do not like though. It's zoethout. It's like sandalwood, I think. I don't like that particular flavor, but the tea is actually really, really nice. Next up, we have some sparkly cloud stickers. Again, very cute. I wonder if all of these were in Pipsticks packs or if they sell them on the site or something. So cute. I love these. I really like that they're purple instead of silver and gold. And then we have these little sparkly strips. So this is actually the color, the silver one is actually the color that the previous envelope was, and I really like that. That's perfect for decorating. And then wow, this is so trippy. We have these large circle stickers. I always love circle stickers for closing envelopes, of course, with this sparkly silver design. And I'm thinking now, how cool would it be to also put like a wax seal on there? And then I think this is the last one. Yeah, the last one is again a sticker sheet. I love how they themed this all. That's so me. I can use everything in one mail. And the last one is some sort of washi tape stickers. I have no clue what this says, but we have, and it's gold foil, but it's slightly different. It's like copper almost, and I love that. So we again have like the different phases of the moon and some other elements. I don't really know how else to explain it, and that's absolutely beautiful. So I'm done with unpacking. I feel like such a lucky girl because I also know that the Pipsticks subscription is also on its way already, so you know, you will be seeing that very, very soon as well. And I really want to know from all of this, what is your favorite item? From the stickers, which is your favorite sticker sheet, and from the other stationery items, what is your favorite stationery item? And I would have to say that I really love the pens, but I also absolutely adore this huge sticker sheet. But I have to say, I think I love everything. Also the golden sticker sheets and the little notebook and this one, and oh my god, I'm so happy. And from the stickers, my favorite would be the moons, I think. Yeah, definitely the subtly sparkly moons, but I also love the stars. I kind of love these as well. No, I'm going for the moons. Okay, that's it, Vivian. Stop talking now. I'm going to keep this box. I'm going to keep the sparkles, and I really want to thank the people from Pipsticks for hosting such amazing giveaways. I feel super lucky to have won this. That really made my week and this made my day, and I don't even know what to say anymore, so I'm going to leave it at this. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Follow my channel if you haven't already. I upload new videos every Monday and Friday, and sometimes, like now, a little video in between. So leave me a comment with your favorite items, and I hope to see you again very, very soon. Bye bye. Now I'm gonna finish my tea.